So this is how the imputation of the file is done. So I'm just doing this process. It might be a very quick one, but if you follow it, it will help you to quick start your data preparation. So you come to file here, click on it, come to import. Then under import, you see a lot of options. Import from my drive, import, share with me, and recently use for upload. So you come to upload. That is if your file has been saved into your local computer. If you are saving in your Google Drive, so you look for it there. I've saved my own in the local computer. So I come to upload. Then you click browse. So when you click browse, it will open your file explorer window. So you look for where you save your file. So I save my own in document ALX Africa data science. Then preparation of data visualization. Then I select it. Then you click open. So you click open, you wait, it will load. So when it load, it will ask you, do you want to create new spreadsheet when you are create new spreadsheet when you are uploading it, or you need to. So there are other options. Insert new sheet, replace spreadsheet, replace current sheet, and then append to. So I use replace current sheet, so meaning the sheet that I am on and I was importing it to replace that sheet. So I selected that one. Then convert text to numbers, days, and formulas. So meaning if some data are saved in text or this one, you can convert it to numbers or and formulas and then the other things. So you check it, then detect automatically. So this place is the separator type, and this place is separator type. So you tell your this thing whether it will detect it automatically or you use the comma separator. When I was doing it, I used the comma separator because the file I'm uploading is a comma separator file. So I used the comma separator file. Then you hit import. So it will load. You will see that your data is here. Yes, the data is here, but that is not all. The other issues will now come. So here we are now coming to the create value, the create value, the value count. Value count. We now create the value count. CNT. So this is the value count, and then the formula. The formula for this is equals to count. So if you want to get the count of the number of columns that made up this particular row, so you enter equals to count. The formula suggestion will come. So they ask us to either use the count to see what will happen to it. So let me use the count and then we see what will happen to it. So start here. You hold your shift key, then you press your left arrow key, it will highlight up to the end. Then after that you hit enter. So you see that it has given different figure 10, 6. It's just giving suggestion. But if you look there, you see the suggestion. If we mark it, if we use the field to mark it, you actually get these figures. And then this is not right. You see that this you have a headache cleaning your data. So rather you go back and then change it to the counter. So you add a to the count. So a, you hit enter. So you now see that it has given you 16. Actually the column, actually the variables are 16. the other variable aside the value count, they are 16. So after this, you use your fill handle. Use your fill handle. You come here, fill handle, point it to plus or the cross sign. Then you hold it and drag it to the where your data ends. Drag it up to where the data ends. So if you know the last row header, you can use it. Then with it, when you look, you think that they are all 16. It's very difficult to tell. But if you check, I just saw 15 somewhere. You think that, you see, this is 15. If you look, you think that there is no 15, but there's 15. You see, this is 15. But this way, it will be very difficult. It will be very difficult for you to tell where the 15s are so that you can look for them, and then that is where they now come and say we should create the filter. So to create the filter, click on the column header. Then you come to you look for the variable create filter. So you come here, you see this filter. It is already there, you create it. In some instances, if you have already created a filter in the document, it will tell you to remove filter. So you just remove the filter and go back and restart the process and come back here and create your filter. So I just click create filter. So when you click create filter, you see this sign that has come. The sign that I'm showing is highlighting green. It will show here. So as it's showing here, if you now click on it, you see that you have blanks 15 and then 16. So you just come and clear it. When you clear it finish, then you now check only 15. Then after that, you click OK. When you click OK, you now see all the rows with the 50, 15, 15 showing. So after this, you press Control F. Control F means find in the seat. So find in the seat, then you type the semicolon. So you now see all the areas that are having the problems. So you can see that here is having a problem, here is having a problem, here is having a problem. So the movement of the cells, where they talk about the movement of the cell, is just opening from here. After the cell with the problem, you just cut. You highlight the row up to the end, then you cut it. When you cut it, then you move it one cell to the right, one cell to your right. Meaning, as I cut, this is the very first cell, so I'll move it to this place. So I'll click here, then right click on it, then click paste. So you see that I saved the data to the other side. Now, if you check where you started, this cell is empty. So when you click on it, you see that in the formula bar is empty because there was supposed to be something on it. But when you check on the formula bar, it's empty. There's nothing on it. If you click it on, you see that it's showing. You click this one, you see that it's showing. But if you click it on, you see that there's nothing showing. So that means it's empty. So now it's giving you the opportunity to now separate your data, which is having the issue here. So now you go back and click on that cell that is having the issue. So when you click on it, then you come to your data and this thing, tab here. So you click on data tab. Then when you click on the data tab, you come down to split text to column. So when you click split text to column, it will ask you automatically detect. So you click on it again. Then you select the separator that is causing the problem in yourself. So it's semicolon. So you click semicolon. So after you click that, you see that it has separated your data. Now when you click on your population, national population, you see that there's a value there and it is this 50. So you repeat the same thing for the other one. So you copy here up to here, Control X, then you move it one to the right, one cell to the right click, then click paste. Then you click here, come to your data, come to select, then you select the separator, semicolon. You see that it has split this data too. You do the same thing here, select up to this place, Control X, then you move it one cell to the right and paste it, then paste, then you click here, then you come to your data, select text to column, then select the separator, semicolon. So you see that it's just going like that. Now you see that you can just check from here that the number of semicolon left are reducing. So you come here, do the same thing, copy, cut up to here, cut, then you move it one cell to the right, right click, then click paste, then come back and click on the cell with the issue, go to data, then come to split text to column, then detail automatically you select, click on it and then select the separator, semicolon. Then this one too are separate now. Now level the last one. So here you select up to here, cut, move one cell to the right click, paste. Then you come back, select your cell with the issue, go back to data, come to split text to column, then select your separator type. Then you are done. You can see the semicolon is now showing 0, 0. After you have done this, you have finished cleaning your data. Then you close this and then you click on your filter again. Now you now see only 16. You now see only 16. So you now check the 16 and your blanks. If you like, you can leave your blank, but you must check your 16 to show your data. So when you check it, you click OK. You see that now you have your data. You have finished one step of the process. So now you now continue with the others. Thank you.